this I'm gonna do a little bit quick exam first. I feel a little bit scratchy right here. Then you just squeeze just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. Little go a long way.
Chris and as Creative Touch asked, so what did you apply on the other nails to apply the beads?
What? I mean,
If you would like to apply bead, just
oh,
do a 3-step. So condensed, no white, and both of them can be uncure. And then apply your bead on metal or crystal, whatever else you want. After that, cure.
yeah.
Like
So
step,
if you
just a
want to
precision
add the
glue.
beads, you just place them before you cure. Just place them on first, and then you can cure it all together. So each time you feel scratchy, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot, just little, go a long way. You can see that I try to focus on this just a little bit, and this bottle will last a long time. And on the other end, you can also using it, the brush. I'm gonna put this in the lamp first, and I'm gonna show you the brush. 60 seconds. And let me close this. Do not lose this red cap. This one will prevent from clocking and spilling. Just open on the other end. And you can see the brush, you can apply it, like for instance, if you forget the little crystal here, you can using the brush and apply the precision glues and place your crystal. Or if you're doing a halo right here or the crystal along with the cuticles line, you can use that the brush as well, and this will last so long. In the meantime, we waiting for the snails. This is my hand. If you would like to, here you go. I don't know who asking earlier. I'm so sorry. I was like busy and forgot about that. Here's my nails, and if you miss it, there are several of IGTV episodes there. You can able to watch them. So it's really simple, easy, and it's all I'm using. The thumb is stunning. I like it too. Using a chandelier collection. So this is nails is done. Let me show you. They are so beautiful. I don't know. They're all my favorites. This time I have a hard time to pick which one. I'll be honest.
I can pick.
You can pick?
I
You think
like
you can pick?
the star.
Yeah, that's my star. Do you know what the background is? The star is so stunning though.
That blue will pop.
I like the star the best.
The star the best. Isabella likes the stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decide on number 5. I don't know. I like them all. Hard for me to choose.
Are we gonna bring out another nails?
No. Do we?